Hi everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for July 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to hear monthly updates and more oracle readings. I have also put a wishlist link in the description section below, and your contribution would help me to build more content and support my practice. So I have the cards laid out over here. I have changed the construct a little bit this time. So we have the main theme, what you need to release, something new coming this month. Then I have the two timelines. So we have the first half of the month and then we have the second half of the month. And we will get to understand the events that would happen during this timeline. And of course, we have the love reading for both singles and people who are in a relationship or married. So let's see what the cards are. So we have Six of Swords and Knight of Cups in the main theme. Both the cards are about some kind of a movement. So there's some kind of a shift coming up in your life. For some, it could be relocating away from your family. For some, it could mean that you're getting separated from your family and shifting out, considering there is a Ten of Cups in what you need to release. For some, it could even mean getting out of a turbulent relationship to reduce mental agony. So Six of Swords means that you are moving away from some situation with a really heavy heart. With Knight of Wands in reverse over here, it could even highlight some kind of a secrecy or you being stuck in some kind of an illegal movement. So just be careful of that. With Death over here, there are some endings coming in. Let's move to the next position, which is what you need to release. We have Ten of Cups and this oracle card which reads Go the Distance. With Ten of Cups in release position and Six of Swords in the main theme, I do see some separation from family coming in. For some, it could even mean you may be sending your kids to boarding school or your kids are now ready to fly the nest. This oracle card also reinstates that you would need much endurance, strength, and you need to think long term to decide what you need to do today. There would be fluctuations and ups and downs in your life. Life is not a sprint, so don't think short term. You would need to hold your energy to leap over the obstacles and stay true to what actions you need to take for a better tomorrow. Let's move to the next position. It is something new coming this month. So there is Nine of Wands and Judgment. Some of you may be feeling battered, hurt, and overwhelmed. With Judgment card, seems like you've had to face some music of some past actions, or you may need to bear with the consequences coming in. These cards also tell you to wait and watch and don't make any critical decision impulsively. Nine of Wands in this position is telling you to stay strong, resilient, and courageous. Things might not turn out exactly as you wanted, but if you just hang out there for some more while, things would get better. Those who are in a job or studying need to remember that they are on a rapid learning curve. So hang out there if you are facing some tough time. Things would become better. These are some of the lessons you would learn which will be invaluable. However, we have a Knight of Wands in reverse over here. So make sure that you are not doing overnighters, overtime. So make sure that you are able to have a work-life balance. So let's move to the first half of the month. A transformation is coming your way. You may face a challenging situation that you may have to let go of something. But if you can accept this and accept the way things are, accept the way things need to be, you will be able to discover something new and beautiful on the other side. So this could mean there is some kind of an ending which is happening. So it could be an end of a particular situation. It could be an end of a relationship. While we do see a Six of Swords over here and Ten of Cups in the release position, it could be a change of a job, or it could be some of you may lose a job. However, better opportunities will come your way. Let's move to the next card. We have Two of Swords here. With Two of Swords, it means a difficult decision is to be made. Some of you may be on a crossroad and don't know where to proceed. It could be a stressful time as decision has to be made and it's not a straightforward decision. So things may be a little complicated, or you may not be able to see things clearly. Some of you may seem to be in a denial. You will have to pull off that blindfold and look beyond ignorance or the fear of deciding. You'll not be able to stay in this passive state for long, considering there is a death card over here, which means the change will happen inevitably. So it is best to decide now before you are forced to take decisions. Let's move to the second half of the month. There is Knight of Wands reversed. You really need to be very careful of being overconfident, reckless, and avoid making hasty decisions. With Two of Swords here, it looks like you're not able to see things clearly, or you're probably in some kind of an ignorant stage. You might be heading for a fall. Seek an advice, reach out an expert wherever you require. I see some kind of an instability coming in. Also, be very cautious while traveling. Like I said earlier, some of you may be in danger of getting burnout. So take care of your work-life balance. Knight of Wands also talks about this attitude of assuming that grass is greener on the other side. However, that's not always the case. So make your choices wisely. I see most of the cases where you are facing complication, where you are seeing moving away, is probably related to your personal life. So I would say just have that check-in. Let's move to the next card. We have Two of Cups and Three of Pentacles. There is some good news coming in. If you have jointly invested in some financial scheme, it could prove good. At work front, you will see things are getting better and issues will get ironed out by the second half of the month, and the relations between your colleague would improve. They would turn out to be more harmonious. Now let's move to the love reading. For singles, we have Two of Pentacles and Five of Cups. I see two offers coming in for some of you. These people could be from your workplace. However, with Five of Cups over here, some of you are still looking at negative sides of why should you even consider to get into any relationship. With Six of Swords and Nine of Wands, looks like you still haven't accepted the past baggage and moved on. You're still hurt and wounded. For single ladies out there, King of Cups could be somebody who's senior to you and be your water sign. That's Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Let's move to relationship reading. So there's Devil over here and World. I see a lot of toxicity in the relationship. Not all of you could relate to this, so leave what you are not able to resonate with. I see some sort of jealousy in the relationship, and for some, I also see some kind of a substance abuse. With World over here, I would also like to highlight, stay away from any illegal issue cropping up. And if you are the one who is probably being obsessed in a relationship or being extremely jealous and not showing those healthy signs, trust me, it can put you in trouble. If you're stuck in an abusive relationship, please reach out for help immediately and don't look for more red flags. I don't intend to say this to create panic, But I think somebody out there needs to listen to this and take a fast corrective action. So that's all for now. If you were able to resonate with this reading, please like this video and let me know your feedback, thoughts, experience in the comment below. Keep watching. Much love.